Tom Sawyer for a 2-hour boat ride around Lake of the Ozarks.
It was a nice machine. We've never had a nicer machine than that.
This is the Commander that we were on a couple years ago.
They're all upstairs and everybody downstairs. You taking that out? Well,
That's Bagnell Dam. Kawasaki.
Very good day, folks. I'd like to welcome you to Lake of the Ozarks and aboard the Tom Sawyer. My name is Rick and I'll be your captain. Now you have a first mate, and you'll make them as they come around and collect your tickets. We'd like you now to feel free to move about the boat. We have 2 decks. We only ask that whenever you use the stairways, please use the handrails. If you have any children on board, please stay with them at all times when moving about. There are washroom facilities on board. These are clean for your convenience, and you'll find these on the lower deck on either side of the snack bar. There are 215 life preservers on board, and these are for emergency use only, and should the need arise, the mate and I will have these out. You'll find these on the upper and lower decks, compartments above your head. Now we'll be out on the water for a time. Point out due to interest to you. Get a little history on the lake. But for the most part, we'll be a way to enjoy your time, to see how we live in vacation here. If you have any questions, or if the may like to need any assistance, please don't hesitate to ask. We'll have you back in just a bit. Enjoy your trip. Now we started our tour by driving along Bagnell Dam, which of course did give us Lake of the Ozarks. Construction of the dam was completed in May of 1931 at a cost of a little over $30 million. It was built in a record-breaking time of 17 months. But the truly amazing part of the story is that it was built with mule teams and wagons, wheelbarrows, and strong backs to get the job complete. Now the dam was built by the Corps of Engineers and for the Union Electric Company of St. Louis, and at that time was a source of power, as today it still is. But those folks would be quite surprised to see how much of a commercialized vacation area the lake they had created has become. Now the power plant is free guided tours of the dam daily on the hours in the morning, on the half hours in the afternoon. These are interesting. They walk you through the dam, explain to you how it works, show you the many turbines, and they have photographs enlarged and in sequence that show the building of the dam. And they can tell you much better from this side with over 260 hotels, 300 condominiums, 800 serious home sites, and 52,000 square feet retail shopping, there'll be large marine or docking facilities, be a sports complex and convention center. Now this $160 million project will employ 850 people in the wintertime, 1,500 in the summer, and is due to be completed in 5 years. Now Arnold Palmer is working with the North Florida Development Company to design 36 holes of golf. This area running over 36 holes of golf. They will be on the river side of the lake, which is just on the other side of Highway 54.
I'll see if I can get some of the colors, or even if you can hear me over the motor.